Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily create playlists inside of YouTube. So to start with, you first want to come to the YouTube studio like I'm on now. And for this example, I'm just going to click this button here to select all the videos on this page. As all my videos are tutorials, so they can all kind of fall under one playlist. And they can all kind of fall under one playlist, which I can call tutorials. However, if you post a variety of different content, such as gaming and other stuff mixed in with it, you might want to create different playlists. So one for games, one for something else. Or you can also do subcategories of that one category. So for example, if you do gaming, but you do lots of different games, what you can do is a playlist for each one, for example, so that your viewers can easily go to your channel and click whichever playlist they want and easily find the video that they want to watch. So as I said, I've selected all of them, but what you want to do is select whichever one suits you best. So once you've selected them, this black bar comes up at the top, and as you can see, there is an option to add to playlist. So what we can do is click this. And as you can see, I have no playlists available. You may already have some available, but if you're watching this video, probably not. So what we want to do is click create playlist, and then this drop down will appear and we just want to select new playlist. Now, there's a few little things we have to fill in here. The only thing that's required is the title. So what we can do is call this tutorials in my example. Obviously yours might be different. And then if that's all we wanted to do, we just wanted to make a playlist quick, we can just go ahead and click create, and then that'll be created. And all those videos that we just chose will be added into it. Now what we can also do is add a description. This can really help your viewer fully understand what sort of videos are in there, so that they don't have to go in the playlist and kind of look for themselves. They can just read the description and understand whether it's what they want or not. So once you've filled in the description, if you want to, you can also select the visibility. Now if we wanted to make a playlist for our viewers, we'd want to set this to public, but you may want to set it to private or unlisted if that works better for you. So once you've got your playlist created, you can go to this playlist tab here and it will show your playlist here. So I didn't click save just then, but if you did, it will show up here. And if you click inside, you can view all your videos and you can adjust it, add new videos if you want, take some out if that's what you want to do. And yeah, after that, your playlist will be successfully created and your viewers can now go to it and find your videos a lot easier. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that helped you out and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.